Lake County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Algonquin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakwood Hills, Wakonda, Fox River Grove, Algonquin, Port Barrington, Fox Lake, Hawthorne Woods, Winthrop Harbor, Round Lake Beach, Haynesville, Grays Lake, Gurnee, Tower Lakes, Round Lake Heights, Libertyville, Russell, Waukegan, Wadsworth, Volo, Round Lake, Crystal Lake, Long Lake, Third Lake, Barrington Hills, and Lake Catherine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Comprehensive cancer care is not just about